divide each and write each answer in reduced form. So for A, we have 12, we have to divide it by 3/4. Now the deal with division is we have to change into multiplication. That we already know how to do, straight across the top and bottom. So we take 12 and we're going to multiply it. But there's a cost for doing multiplication when we had division. And the cost is, instead of taking our original problem where we would divide them by 3/4, we multiply it by the reciprocal, or the fraction turned upside down, which is 4/3. So we always do this with division. Take the first number, change to multiplication, and flip over the second number. Now we just go straight across the top and bottom. Now if it's bothering you that 12 doesn't have a bottom, then don't let it bother you. Put 12/1. Now let's do like we did in the last example, where we simplify. 12 and 1, 4 and 3 don't simplify, but 12 and 3 can. Divide the 3 by itself, you get 1. Divide the 12 by 3, and you'll get 4 left over. So your answer here is 4 times 4 is 16 over 1. And the best way to write that answer is 16 divided by 1 is just 16. Now, in part B, we added division also, but it doesn't look like it. Remember that the division bar itself, the main one here, actually just means, the fraction bar that is, actually just means division. So it's 2 3/4. We're dividing that by 5 6/7. Now that it looks a little bit more like part A, we can have an idea how to do this problem. Well, we are going to need to do the reciprocal, but we can't yet. So first, what we're going to need to do is convert, and what we're going to need is our improper fractions. And we can do this by going 4 times 2, which is 8. 3 more makes 11/4. And we still have division, because we're not done converting yet. 5 6/7. 7 times 5 is 35. Add 6 more is 41. That's over 7. And now that we've got improper fractions, step 2 is change to multiplication. And from example A, we know how to do this. Take 11/4, multiply, and there's a cost. That 41/7 becomes 7/41. So our final answer is 11 times 7, which is 77. 4 times 41, which is 164.